Welcome to the Glisten Lounge, where sass meets luxury. Shine bright, diva.
Hey candle lovers, welcome back to the Glisten Lounge. Today, we're diving into one of my absolute favorite wax blends, coconut soy wax. If you've been searching for a candle wax that's clean burning, holds fragrance beautifully, and gives a smooth, creamy finish, this is the one for you. So stick around because I'll be giving you a quick demonstration on how to make a coconut soy candle from start to finish.
Hey everybody, this is the Glisten Lounge, and I'm so sorry I have to do a voiceover because I don't know what happened to my microphone. So anyway, today I will be showing you guys how to make a beautiful coconut soy candle that smells absolutely amazing. But first of all, before we get started, I already know that there might patches toe up on my apron, so don't y'all be trying to come over here and talk about me, baby. We're here to make candles. So this is one of the candles that I made using the coconut soy wax. I also use the same wax in order to make my embeds for this candle. You can add a little bit of beeswax or some paraffin, or you can use some the soy wax as well, the pillar, not the regular container wax, to make your embeds. Okay, so you're gonna need your containers. I got these jars here from Amazon. They're 3-inch jars, y'all. Here's my wick stickers and my wick. You're gonna need your fragrance oil and of course your wax. So what I'm doing here, I am heating up my jars because it's a little cold in my house and I want the wax to adhere to my jar. So I'm heating up my jars till about 120, 125 degrees. You also can place your jars inside of your oven and set your oven till about 150 degrees. I think most of them starts about 150 degrees. You just want to make sure they're warm, okay? Some people place foil around it to keep the heat insulated, but I ain't finna do all that, girl, because I'm just lazy, honey. So anyway, what I'm doing here, I am checking the temperature of my jar, and the wax I got from Direct Candle Supply. I am not sponsored by them. I just like their I like their wax. Okay, so using this container, they suggest you can use for a 3-inch to a 3.5-inch LX20 or LX22. So I'm going directly what they recommended. Okay, I'm using Monkey Forest fragrance oil that I got from Waxy Flower. I'm not endorsed by them as well. I just like their fragrance oil. So here I'm just rechecking the temperature. Direct Candle Supply, they suggest a fragrance load of 5 to 10%. I'm using 9% here in this candle. I usually use, y'all, 9 to 10%. As you can see, it's 176 degrees. Their fragrance oil temperature, they recommend is 170 to 180. So I am within the range. So I'm going to mix this for about a minute or so. And then their pouring recommended temperatures, it's between 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 150 degrees, okay? So you also, again, you can use this wax if you want to make wax melts as well. All right, so I also want to let you guys know that I have now opened up a Patreon. So if you want more tutorials and want more exclusive recipes, in-depth candle making techniques, and my signature dessert candle designs, I got something for you, baby. So over there, I'll be showing exclusive candle recipes you won't find anywhere else. Detailed step-by-step dessert candle tutorials, and I also have live classes held over there. So here's the candle. You want to make sure the wick is centered, and there is like a little emblem or something at the base of the jar, and it's right in the center. So you can just use that as a guide. And here's the finished product. So if you're serious about living up your game, come join me in the Glisten Lounge Patreon, you guys. And you guys have a great day.
Subscribe and hit the bell to get our new videos.